Hello friend, in this video I show you how to use comment automation for Facebook page and Instagram in Smart Boatmaker. But before that, there is one more thing I want to tell you is data analytics of your page. You can check data analytics of your page by going to import accounts and then click on data analytics of your desired page. Click on it. Here you can check detail, latest summary, 3 new, 7 days summary, 30 days summary. You can check for new, blocked 1, total connection 118, daily unique new conversations. You can check graph messaging connections, daily unique blocked conversations, daily unique reported conversation. Okay, now click on comment automation, then click on comment template. This section will help you to set comment template, reply template of your comment automation. Apart these, you can see all your comment automation campaign and their reports. This section is divided in 5 parts. These are comment template, reply template, automation campaign, tag campaign and report. In comment template, a auto comment template can contain multiple comments. Simply create a template by adding the comments you want for that template. Later this template will be displayed when you create a new auto comment campaign. Okay, first we are going to create a new template. Click on it. Enter template name. You can remove, and if you want to add more, click on add more. Then click on save. Okay. After reload the page, it will show. With this feature, a comment, auto comment, the Smart Boatmaker will automatically comment on your Facebook post. Now I am going to show you a demo. Click on automation campaign. Select the desired page. Wait for reload. You can see details, auto comment, auto reply, enabled post, auto comment enabled post, tag reply enabled post. Now click on, these are latest post. If you click on it, it will open the post. Now go to gear icon, enable auto comment. Write your campaign name, select the template, schedule type one time and periodic. I choose one time, schedule time. Uh, 2 minutes from now. Select the time zone and then click on save. Here you can see auto comment enabled post 1. Okay, now you can see the reports, auto comment report. Click on it. Here you can see the report. Reply sent 0, status is live, reply. So we wait for some time to run the schedule. Now refresh the page. Here you can see reply sent 1, status expired. Click on action button, camping report. You can see comment time, schedule 1 time, comment status success. Now go to page, reload it. Now scroll down and you can see auto comment from SmartBot Maker 2 minutes ago. Okay, next option is reply template. A auto reply template can contain multiple replies. Simply create a template by adding the reply you want for that template. Later this template will be displayed when you create a new auto reply camping. So we can create multiple template here, and when we create a camping, then we all see this template there. Okay, this feature, when a user comment on your Facebook post, then this template will be reply to user's comment. The first feature is only comment on your post, and this feature for reply to a comment from user. Now I show you how to create a template, then I show you a demo. Now select the page. What do you want about offensive comments? Hide, delete. You can give the keywords here, and if any user comment from this keyword, then private message sent to that user. You can create message template from here by clicking on add message template. I show you. Do you want to send a reply message to a user multiple times? If a user comment on that post multiple times, do you want to reply on his every comment or just for the one comment? I enable it. Do you want to enable comment reply? Yes. Do you want to like on comment by page? Do you want to hide comment after comment reply? If you turn it on, when the bot reply to user comment, then that comment, the user comment will be hide, so no one can see that comment. Only you and only page admin and user can see the comment. Next option is generic message for all. So if any user commenting on anything, then one message for all. And second, send the message by filtering. So you can write the keyword and then comment reply as a keyword. So when you user write any word, you hear like hi, then your comment will be hello, how can I help you? And the second one, add more. If you want to add more filtering, click on add more filtering. So if anyone write how are you, then the bot reply be I am fine. And you can also select multiple private reply template. Okay, we set the filter keywords. You can also add image in it and video. And please note, only one will be work. If you add you can't use both of it. Just upload the image. Now private reply. So when any user comment on your post, then bot will send comment reply and a private message to user. So we don't have any template here, then click on add message template. Write the template name. Postback ID. Select reply type: text, image, audio, video, file, quick reply, text with button, generic, carousel, media, one-time notification. I'm using text. Typing on display enable. Delay in reply 2 seconds. Now write the message: hello, first name, last name, thanks for comment on our post. If you want to add more reply, click on it, submit it, click OK and close and refresh list. Now you can see the private reply. Now you can see here first a refresh list, then you can see you can select one private reply to all the comment reply. Okay, comment reply if no matching found. Going to create a different private message reply. Close and refresh list. No match. Now click on save. We missed something. Let's check. I'm selecting the different picture for every comment reply. Now click on save. Missing something. We missed the camping name. Okay, now click on save. Updated successfully. Okay, you can see keyword comment reply. Now we are going to test this comment reply. Go to automation camping. Select the desired page. Now go to the post. First we check this post. Okay, so this post I created for test comment reply. On this post, hide comment keyword 1-to-1, test keyword hi, how are you, and any offer, and we comment anything on this post. First, go to setting, enable auto reply. First option is, do you want to use saved template? If you click on yes, then choose from auto reply template. If you click on no, then you can create a template from here, right from here. We are already created, so we select the keyword comment reply, click on submit, click OK. So here you can see auto reply enable post 1. Now I log in from my another ID to test this comment reply feature. Here you can see Smart Auto Tool reply to your comment on their post, and private message sent by the bot. Now refresh the page to see the comment reply from here. Now we are using second keyword. Wait for bot reply. You can see notification and also message. Click on the notification to see the reply, comment reply. Here you can see the next image and a website. Now we are using hide comment feature. Write comment keyword 1-to-1. Now wait for bot reply. No match found, and refresh it. Now to see report, auto reply report, comment, click on it, go to action and click on camping report. Here you can see, do you want to hide comment after comment reply? So hide delete status, all are hidden. Comment reply sent 3, comment delete 0, comment hidden 3. You can see viewer and private reply message here. Edit template for private reply. Okay. Now for the next feature is tag comment. Click on tag camping. There is no camping created, then go to automation camping. Select the page, click on the gear icon from the post, enable and fetch commenter. Post has been successfully enabled for tagging and commenter information has been fetched. To create camping, go here, click on it. Here you can see the detail, comment and bulk tag, bulk comment reply, rescan, comment 3, comment 1. You can rescan here. You can see comment and commenter count in each row. To resync new comment, click on the rescan. You can see couple of plus and I sign button. Plus icon and plus icon is for creating new camping and I sign is for viewing report. The first button set for comment and bulk tag, and second button is for bulk comment reply. Camping creation for comment and bulk tag require at least 2 commenter, and camping creation for bulk comment reply require at least 1 comment, otherwise the camping creation button will be disabled. This feature is very effective and sensitive as well. Do not overtag people or spam and use these features slowly. So this will we can't create comment and bulk tag because we have only 1 commenter, so we can create bulk comment reply. We can click on plus button. If you want to upload image and video, upload here. Delay button mean to reply in seconds, 0 mean random. Create camping. To see report. Now wait for. Now status is processing, and here you can see Smart Auto Tool mentioned you in their comments. Refresh it. Here you can see, you can click on the name, thanks for comment. Now we see the report. Refresh the page first. Click on action button, eye icon, and you can see the detail here. So this is the comment feature for comment automation feature for the page. In the next video I show you how to use comment automation for Instagram. Thanks for watching this video.